Greetings, my name is Sabelo Ngedu, and this is my video submission for assignment 6, BPT 1501. The topic of the assignment is creativity and innovation in education. So with my assignment, I decided to go with mathematics in intermediate phase because it is one of my majors that I'm doing this year. So with that said, I have also created an innovative game, an interactive game for these learners that are still finding their way around the subject that is mathematics. And this is also important because number sense is critical in the development of mathematical understanding throughout school and in everyday life. This is Greeno 1991. It is also written that according to CAPS for mathematics in intermediate level, learners are expected to work with whole numbers up to 9-digit numbers. This is the CAPS document for mathematics. So with that said, that also brings about the mental arithmetic to the mathematics subject. The mental arithmetic tries to give the learner or develop a stronger understanding of how numbers and how numbers work and how they relate to each other. This is also in the CAPS document for education. For mental arithmetic, it also enhances memory so that they are part of their everyday lives as learners. This is also taken from the CAPS document. The one other thing I would like to stress is the number sense is very critical in mathematics and in the development of mathematics in children and their everyday lives. This is Greeno 1991. With that said, the visual game I created is a number game in which learners are given a set of cards from 0 to 1, and they are given their arithmetic means, which is their division, addition, multiplication, and subtraction. So this gives them the development in trying to not only adding to two places. Now this is to 4 places, 1,000 places. So the children will be able to pick from 0 to 1 in the number, and then they get to randomly pick out their arithmetic, and then they have to guess or find out, deduce the answer with their arithmetic mental means. So this is how the game I created works. A little demonstration of how it would usually work. And it is very accessible to everyone because I made this at home, and I think it is very creative in making learners think fast in their minds, and also have the base or the basics of mathematics, which are numbers. This is how you would learners would play the game in a classroom. So I have a stack of cards. This is purple, uh, red, and green. It's purple, red, and green. Okay, let me just do this. I apologize for that. My camera doesn't have. So these are the purple ones are these are the ones that will be taken from the deck to create a number or a whole number. It could be from 1 to 9. And these are your arithmetic means. This is your division, this is your minus, this is your multiplication, and your addition. Now, with those, these ones are the green ones, the green cards that are made, which will represent the answers. So, with these said, the numbers also the color actually the color represents the first set of numbers that you're gonna use to make a mean that you can multiply, add, or any of these. And then the green ones is for the answers, and the pink is for the arithmetic mean. So this is how the children would play it. Let's start with just two numbers from our first deck. I will just choose randomly. I have the number 9 and I have the number 1. So this is 91 on the first side that we have to combine. Now we come to our arithmetics, and I also have to choose randomly from here. Let me see what I choose. This is division. So it's 91 divided by 91 divided by, we have to choose from here. For now, we're just doing two decimal places. Uh, we have a 9, 2, that must be luck. Okay, I will just do this one for now. So it helps children in trying to map around fast in mathematics on how do the numbers work. So, but for now, the equation I have on my table is 91 divided by 9, in which it would be 9.1, 9.01. I'm not really sure. I just have to get my things right. So I think this is relevant to the mathematics class because it gives children the mental capability to visualize and come to a conclusion quicker because now the basics are already there. Yes, thank you. So I think learners would be very much enjoying this with or without a calculator because now the aim is not to get the correct answers immediately, but it's a journey from where the equation starts to where it ends. So, with that said, I would like to thank you for listening and thank you very much. Oh, but it's 10 minutes. I'm sorry. So the Citations for this were also said in the during the process of the presentation. So with that said, thank you very much.